and an overall experience, it was actually wonderful, so smooth with all the visa process. You already know that I got the visa in just 7 days from getting into the application and getting back the passport with the stamped visa at my place. So it was a wonderful experience and everything was so smooth.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another success story today with Shalabh from New Delhi, and we will talk about his experience in Germany, about how it is to work in Germany with Germans, and to find out how he actually landed a job in Germany. I'm Raul, and looking very much forward to have the interview today with you, Shalabh. How are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm very much fine here. How are you today?
I'm good as well. Shalabh, very much welcome to our recording today. I would like to have a short introduction, Shalabh. You're from New Delhi. You are a senior JavaScript developer and also have experience in Ruby. We will talk about your tech skills later on as well. And you made it after 3.5 months, I think, in our program. You got an offer and landed a job in Hamburg.
Yes.
How do you do right now? How is life in Germany?
Life at the moment, it's if you talk about the weather, it's actually getting a little hot here. So I need to make arrangements for some cooling stuff like fan and everything. And an overall experience, it was actually wonderful, so smooth with all the visa process. You already know that I got the visa in just 7 days from getting into the application and getting back the passport with the stamped visa at my place. So it was a wonderful experience and everything was so smooth. And if I talk about Hamburg and people here in Germany, they're very cooperative. I mean, I didn't even realize and did not had any hiccups in getting the city registration done and then opening a bank account and everything was very smooth.
Okay, let us jump here a bit and we'll start from the beginning. First of all, why did you decide to come to Germany?
If you talk about, see, I'm from IT sector and there are various countries like US, Canada and UK and also Europe. So Europe is one of those promising markets upcoming for the IT sector, where you don't see abrupt layoffs and everything like that are there in US and Canada. And of course, you also have various smooth and easy processes for getting an EU blue card and then getting it converted to a PR and then the citizenship for any European country, especially.
Mm-hmm. And then you said, okay, let's give it a try and let's try to come to Germany. And then you have contacted us.
Yeah.
Why that? Why have you contacted us? And what did you make? Why did you join our program?
I had been applying for various jobs abroad, especially in the European Union and Germany and Denmark, because I have many of my friends here. The only challenge that I faced in the very beginning was not actually getting the CV shortlisted, and even was not even able to apply for various jobs because of the location difference. If I especially quote, say for example, you have a job portal like Indeed. If I just try to apply to Indeed Germany from India, I'm not able to.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
There was a 30 minutes short video that was actually very helpful in getting to know the entire process and how the team at Find a Job in Germany works and everything from there.
Okay, and then you contacted us. We had a call.
Yeah.
And were you hesitating to join the program after our calls? And do you have any doubts? Tell us about your feeling before you signed up. What thoughts did you have as well?
Okay, so before I signed up, I did not have any contact with anybody from Find a Job in Germany or of any coaches. I mean, the candidates who have already been there, because it was to me. But that 30-minute video actually inspired confidence in me that the company, the people here, and everybody who is working for it, they are quite legit, and I should give it a try at least.
Okay. And then you signed up, and how was the experience with us? What did you experience throughout the program?
After signing up, after going through that 30 minutes video, I signed up for a call. That was an initial WhatsApp call. It was with Demo, I think. And then we went to discuss everything, the short description of what I do, what experience that I have, the family background, especially for the visa purpose and everything. And then we started off signing up with the agreement for the initial process of making the CV. And I was assigned a coach, Andrea. She was very helpful in explaining me everything and having calls and discussions and shortlisting what to put in the CV and what not. And this is how we progressed.
True, very good. And then you got shortlisted, obviously. And how many interviews did you have before?
I gave 3 interviews.
3 interviews, and then you landed a job already.
Yeah.
Okay. And you signed the contract, and what is very interesting, you may pointed it out a little bit. It took you exactly 1 week to get your visa after you applied for an appointment, correct?
Yes. Before actually going for an appointment to the VFS Global, which works for which is kind of a visa application center. It has many branches in India and in New Delhi, Bangalore, and everywhere. So I just collected all the papers that I could. With there was a checklist for EU Blue Card, and I took an appointment. On the day of appointment, I went to them. The only difference was that I actually took the premium package for VFS Global, because in premises they have printing services, internet services, and anything that you might miss, you can get things. You don't have to go for another different appointment the other day or the next day. You can ask your people from family to mail you, and you can print everything. And in this case, I will just quote an example. I was not having a travel insurance at that point of time. So VFS Global, because of that premium package, I was able to actually use their computer and book travel insurance for the entire duration of my initial visa period. 3 to 4 months, and I was able to complete the application process on the day itself.
Okay. And how did it feel? First of all, how did it feel when you got the offer with the German company? Can you raise your feelings?
I was actually very excited, and I thanked them for going through my CV, my details, and especially going thoroughly with the tech challenge that I have submitted. My head of engineering went with every detail of the tech challenge that I submitted, and then after getting shortlisted, I had a discussion on that very tech challenge. How did I proceed? Why did I do what not in that tech challenge? And what could I have been doing better? And what should I have not done?
Well, we will talk about the tech challenge and the tech stack later. But did you expect that you will get a job in Germany that easily?
To be very frank, I was actually having confidence in the people at the team at find a job in Germany.
Okay.
That confidence initially got into me by the 30 minutes video, and then having a legit call with Demo on WhatsApp. And then after that, when I registered, I got a link to the complete course that it was, and it was so well precise, well made, you can say.
Very good. And then you got the visa, and then you were ready to take off.
Yeah. I also started off initially from India itself.
Mm-hmm.
A month before arriving here in Hamburg.
Okay, good. So we will talk in the upcoming parts of the interview, in the next meetings, about your experience in Germany, also how your life is in Germany, but especially also we would like to find out what it needs in your point of view for other interested people to get a job in Germany. So we will be back, and looking very much forward to get more insights. Thank you,
Sure.
Shalabh, for your first part, and we talk soon much more.
Thank you.
Everyone, thank you very much for this first part of the interview with Shalabh. I look very much forward to meeting you in the next discussion with Shalabh. And if you are interested to also move to Germany, work and live here, then please feel free to get in touch with us, and we will discuss your case and see if we can support you. All the best, take care, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.